No, actually true plan is next exhibition igenda kubeera mu north. Si energy week naye mu January tugenda kufunayo exhibition endala naye tugiteeke mu north. Abantu mu north nabo balabe ku technologies zino, improved stoves, solar systems nazo zonna. So it's one step. Ate n'ekirala tugezaako creating awareness. Ekintu kye tulabye nti abantu abasinga ebintu tebabitegeera, babiraba naye tebabitegeera. Value yabyo tebagitegeera. Omugamba energy saver egenda kendeezako ku masanyalaze akugamba naye nga bagiseera mutwalo gumu kitundu. Ate nga ayinza okufulumya mutwalo gumu kitundu. Naye n'asala biri y'amasanyalaze kubanga either biri yo ebeera waggulu or investinga mu lumu mu technology is really expensive. Naye biri neeka wansi for the next like energy savers 15 years.
This particular solar water heater is imported from Greece because, as you can know, Greece, Israel and Turkey are the best manufacturing of this solar water heater, and we choose Greece. But when we do that, we also provide the warranty of the goods. So this is from Greece, and we have also other products like our panels are from Holland, designed in Netherlands, and they can stay longer period. And then we have also water pumps.
A battery, we give the lifespan of the battery is 5 years. Then there is this one, Sun King Pro 2. This Sun King Pro 2, its price is 155. It also has a solar panel, differently, not connected to the battery. Then it charges 2 phones. That's the difference between this one and this one.